Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a microphone not working on iOS 17. So guys, if you're using iPhone and have updated version of iOS 17 and facing the issue that microphone not working, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your settings, click on Wi-Fi, and guys, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, after doing this, you need to click on general, click on software update, and guys, you need to update your iPhone to latest version, that is 17.2. So guys, after doing this version, then guys, all the problems will be fixed that you are facing in iOS 17. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to go back, scroll it down, click on general, and guys, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and click on reset all settings. And guys, after doing this, simply you need to go back, and guys, in settings you need to search your microphone. So guys, after searching your microphone, you need to click on this tab, and guys, after this, here you will find a microphone. So guys, simply you need to turn all the tabs here in the apps in which you are want to use microphone. So guys, your microphone will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your microphone, then guys, maybe your phone has been damaged physically. Then guys, you need to check your phone to mechanic, and guys, he will check your problem and fix your problem easily. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.